everybody, or as my husband loves to say, it's me again, Margaret. So welcome back to my next video. And in this video, I will be telling you not only what the prizes are, but how to enter the giveaway. So stay tuned. I've seen so many people doing decoupage. I've watched Sally from All Aboard Resin Creations, Amy from Resonating Art by Amy M, Karen from the Dragon's Cave. So many people have been doing decoupage. They've been using serviettes. I don't know what they are. Look like napkins to me. Rice paper, different decoupage mediums. I found these napkins, right, because I don't know what a serviette is, at one of the local stores. And I thought, how pretty is that? So I wanted to do something like that on this coaster gone wrong. This was the side up against the mold, and this was the bottom side. So I coated it with my Create and Bloom bloom finish, and I thought, you know what? Let me do this, because this is so very pretty. And I thought if I could get this section onto the paper, I mean onto the, sorry, I got lost in the, it almost looks like a bug right there. Anyway, I figured as long as I can get this section on the paper, oh, wouldn't that just be beautiful? So I think that I'm going to trim it right there at the fold of the napkin. And that way too, I can use the rest of the napkin. So put that away. And I remember from Sally's, now this is a 3-ply. So I am going to unply them. So it's just the top sheet. I thought, oh gosh, how beautiful is that? So stunning. So what I'm going to do, if I, oh, here's my water. And I watched Amy do this. Well, I can't say, I mean, I did watch Amy do this, but I've also watched Sally do it, as well as the dear lady that I watch. Her channel name is Upcycling NZ. You have to check it out. She does the most beautiful upcycles of stuff that we would pick up at the, well, in the UK, you guys call them tip shops. In the UK, or in the US, we call them, you know, bargain basements or thrift shops, or, you know, garage sales for all I know. But anyway, she said this is the way that you roughen up the edges so they're not, and I mean, okay, so it doesn't matter that I roughed up the edges because I'm not actually using the edges. But I mean, if this is what you were going to like decoupage onto a surface, and you didn't want a rough edge, then you could use this method, right? You just wet it around the area that you want it to go, you know, on, and then that way it's got a rigid or a ridgy, uneven edge, like it's natural. Anywho, I digress. So I am gonna find my PVA glue, and we're gonna make this decoupaged coaster. Okay, time to tell you what the prizes are, but I have to get my glasses so I can see. So the first thing is a set of hole makers from Little Windows. Then we have the lovely Laura from Laura's Art Corner is offering a gift card or a coupon. EyeCandy Pigments has offered a sample pack of their wonderful pigments. Apex Resin is offering a gift card. Into Resin is offering one of their handmade molds. Bondcrafter is giving me 2 prizes to give away. The first one is silicone rubber and their pearlescent UV. And the second one is some of their casting powder and then 500 grams of UV resin. PDB Creative Studios. Look, oh, they're my favorite. I love their glitter. And now, one of you might love their glitter because that's what they're offering. And then I will be offering an Amazon gift card. And then the lovely Alicia from the Crafty Coven has offered to give one of her personally painted items. So she has created this beautiful painting that she has allowed me to share with one of you. So stay tuned and I'll let you know what you have to do to enter the giveaway. I decided to use my Maker's Magic from Scorch Marker. It says it's matte. This one is matte. It does make a gloss version as well, but it says you can use it for glue, seal, finish, and decoupage. What? So I thought, well, let me try. It's a little bit more liquidy than you know, Merge Purge or PVA glue. So yeah, stick that in there. And look, like I said, I'm not real savvy with decoupage. So, you know, I might get some wrinkles or something. I just don't want to rip it. There's a couple of wrinkles, but you know, this is my really my first try. I did have one other try, but it was a massive disaster, so I kind of walked away. And then I was watching, you know, all the rest of the ladies in their brilliant decoupage, you know, stardom. And so I said, you know what, I got to give this another try. But yeah, so I am going to let this dry. And when I come back, I'm going to show you how I saw Alana from Upcycling NZ trim off her decoupage. So I'll be right back. So I have this nail file, and what Alana from Upcycling NZ does is she goes along the edge, and anything that's not, you know, whoop. Well, that's, you know, in theory, right? This is textured, so I don't know how well it's going to work. But in theory, this is what she does. And again, she does a much better job of it than I do, but ultimately it does the job. So now that that is done, I am going to put some resin over this. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I mixed up 30 mils of the Master Cast from EyeCandy that I got from Laura at Laura's Art Corner. And yes, it has got a boatload of bubbles. Look, I mixed it like a fiend, and I'm just dragging it to the edges. Because it's got, you know, a pretty crisp edge, it will not go over unless I drag it over. Missed a spot. Just making sure that it's, just trying to make sure that it's all getting to the edge. Because sometimes it'll pull back just a smidge. Okay, so I'm just going to keep an eye on this and make sure that any bubbles that are still in there get, you know, as they come up, I will pop them with my lighter, and I'll see you guys at the end. Okay, here's what you need to do to enter the giveaway. Number 1, like and comment. Number 2, let me know where you are in the world, because some of these prizes are for US only, some of them are for UK only, but some of them are worldwide. So I need to know what bucket to put you in. Number 3, you have to be subscribed to my channel, because I'm celebrating my subscribers. And lastly, just so I know that you're not only watching this video just to get entered into the contest, tell me where I am. In my 1,000 subscriber giveaway video, I mentioned that I was working away from home. So please tell me in the comments where I'm working. And it's that easy. So good luck. Okay, so this has cured, and look at this gorgeous shine. Absolutely stunning. And I love it. And it just kind of zhuzhes up the coaster. You know, if you got a coaster that you don't like, bleh, you know, just try something like this. You never know. It can transform it into something that you don't want to use, into something that you wouldn't mind giving to somebody else. Or use yourself, you know, either or. But yeah, do me a favor and like, subscribe, share, comment, do all the things. And love you all and have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.